90 minus 90 times 90 minus 90. What is the answer of this question? Can you solve it? In the wrong way of solving this question, some people solve this question like this. 90 minus 90 equals 0. 0 times 90 minus 90, which equals 0, and they say the final answer of this question equals 0. But this answer is definitely wrong. Again, some people solve this question like this. 90 minus 90 equals 0, then times 90 minus 90. 0 times 90 equals 0, and 0 minus 90 equals negative 90. But this answer is definitely wrong. Let's solve this question step by step together. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations. If you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. In this question, first we do this multiplication. Negative 90 times 90 equals negative 8,100. Now we have 90 minus 8,100, then minus 90. Because we have negative and positive numbers on both sides, we simplify and we get the final answer of this question. Final answer is negative 8,100. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.